Welcome back to Daco, where we turn simple outdoor spaces into inspiring garden retreats full of warmth and personality. Today, we're exploring a rustic front yard garden charm filled with recycled decor ideas and creative styling for a beautiful small landscape. If you love cozy garden pathways, vintage-inspired accents, and budget-friendly outdoor transformations, this video will give you plenty of inspiration for your own front yard makeover. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the Daco channel, give this video a like, and share your favorite rustic garden idea in the comments below. Your support helps us create more beautiful garden inspiration for you every week. The charm of a rustic front yard begins with natural textures and a relaxed layout that feels welcoming from the very first glance. Instead of perfectly symmetrical designs, this style embraces softness, organic shapes, and layered greenery. A narrow stone pathway surrounded by small flowering plants instantly creates a cozy cottage atmosphere. Gravel walkways, weathered bricks, and uneven stepping stones can make even a tiny front yard feel timeless and inviting. Adding wooden edging or reclaimed timber borders helps define planting areas while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. These simple details bring warmth and character to the landscape without making the space feel crowded. One of the best parts of rustic garden styling is using recycled materials to create unique decor pieces filled with personality. Old watering cans, rusty buckets, and vintage crates can easily become eye-catching garden features. A repurposed wooden ladder decorated with small potted flowers creates vertical interest while saving space in a compact front yard. Vintage bicycle frames with hanging baskets also add a nostalgic and artistic touch. Even discarded window frames or reclaimed shutters can become beautiful decorative backdrops for climbing vines and flowering plants. These recycled elements make the garden feel creative, personal, and environmentally friendly. Rustic gardens look best when filled with soft, natural-looking plants that blend effortlessly together. Lavender, daisies, marigolds, and small ornamental grasses create a relaxed countryside atmosphere. Layering plants of different heights gives the front yard more depth and visual richness. Taller greenery near the walls combined with lower flowering plants near pathways can make a small space appear larger and more balanced. Adding climbing plants like ivy or jasmine around fences and trellises introduces texture and movement to the landscape. Their natural growth pattern enhances the rustic charm while softening hard surfaces. Even a tiny front yard can include a peaceful seating area that feels warm and welcoming. A small wooden bench placed beneath a tree or beside flower beds instantly creates a cozy focal point. Decorating the seating area with recycled pots, lanterns, and woven baskets adds extra rustic personality without overwhelming the landscape. Soft lighting from solar lanterns can also make the garden glow beautifully in the evening. Simple details like plaid cushions, aged wood textures, and handmade decor pieces help transform the yard into a relaxing outdoor retreat where guests and family members feel comfortable and connected to nature. Rustic garden beauty often comes from the smallest decorative touches. Pebbles, tree stumps, driftwood, and natural stones can all become part of the landscape design in creative ways. Birdhouses made from reclaimed wood and small hanging planters can add life and movement to the front yard. These charming accessories help the garden feel lively, peaceful, and full of personality. Mixing recycled decor with natural materials creates harmony throughout the entire landscape. The result is a front yard that feels authentic, welcoming, and beautifully connected to nature. A rustic front yard garden doesn't need a large space or expensive materials to feel beautiful and inspiring. With creative recycled decor, layered greenery, and natural textures, even the smallest landscape can become a charming outdoor sanctuary. We hope today's garden styling ideas inspire you to transform your own front yard into a warm and welcoming rustic retreat filled with personality and creativity. Thank you so much for watching Daco. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite recycled garden decor idea. We'll see you again in the next garden inspiration video.